Also tenants, have we got an excellent rental property for you today. It's just come on the market on Northumberland Way. I hope you've had a good look around as you've come onto this estate. It's a private development, went up about 2015 or so, so been about 5 years or coming up to 5 years. We've got lots of properties on this estate. This one, there's a special thing about this property that I really like, and I'll show you when we get inside. But just before we go inside, let me just show you a couple of the features on the outside. There's a driveway for a couple of cars to your right over here. To the side of the property, you've got a rear access gate going into the garden from this side as well, so you don't have to come in, like, you know, with all your dirties and stuff through the front door if you came from, let's say, football or something. If we step back and just show you the outside of the house, low maintenance front garden, semi-detached, just been sold. As you see, the sold board by Connells, which will be removed in a couple of days. And if you want to follow me in, I'll take you through. Okay, so if you want to step in first, past the hallway, and then I'll just show you these couple of doors and what they hold behind. So the first door on this side is your utility cupboard for a washing machine, tumble dryer. You've obviously houses the combination gas boiler. To your right on the top over there is your consumer unit for your electrics, and there's a carbon monoxide alarm just in case. So, yep, we're done. Have you taken it? Good. Super. And on this side is your guest WC. So there's no guests going upstairs. Thankfully, there's one downstairs, and anybody coming in from with their muddy feet and stuff can also go straight into here. All fully tiled floors up until the kitchen, which we'll take you through to now. Open plan kitchen lounge, created by Taylor Wimpey Homes, I believe. These sets were Mar-City and Taylor Wimpey did this development called Regent's Wharf back in 2015. So I believe these were built by Taylor Wimpey. You can see there's an inset oven and hob. There's a space there for a dishwasher. And then there's also, if we close this door now, just behind here, you have a space for a tall fridge freezer. You've got all your appliances, kind of utility over there, and what you need over here in the kitchen. Okay, so we now have the lounge come dining space. Over here is probably where your TV is going to go. There's a TV point there, but obviously with extensions and stuff, you can jig it around and decide where you want to place it. Lots of electric points, telephone, landline point for your broadband and stuff. There's a smart meter over here. Yeah, so it's a good space. This is where the previous occupants had their kind of dining table, and the opposite side was where they had the sofa. Okay, when you're ready, I'll take you out to the garden. This is the best bit about this house. For me, it's the garden that does it. First of all, lovely hot summer's day. Sun's shining, south-facing garden, and then look at the size of this. Come on, step outside. So if you're a keen person who likes a bit of an open space, with your own privacy, of course, you've got this good space garden. Being a semi-detached and being an end of the road kind of property, you've got this extra space, which a lot of these properties that we have don't really come with. Okay, if you want to step back and have a look at the back of the house. This is your back gate where you would come in from the driveway, as we shown earlier on. This is the back gate that you would come in from the driveway, which is on that side, and you come in and you can go in through the back of the house if you chose to. Okay, so if you're ready, as and when, I will take you upstairs. the property is ready to move in as we speak. You've got the carpets have been washed all throughout the house. The decor's in decent order. It's not brand new, but it's it's in good order. You've got a Honeywell wireless thermostat here to control the central heating system. There's smoke alarm downstairs, smoke alarm upstairs. It's just basically ready to move in. Okay, 2 bedrooms upstairs. This is the first of the 2. Okay. And here you've got a TV point in that corner. So if you wanted to bring your Sky, I don't know, Virgin TV upstairs, BT TV, then what I like about this property as well, there's lots of sockets. They've thought about this when they built it, that we need lots of electric points nowadays. So in this room alone, you've got 3 kind of double sockets, 2 on this side and then another set over there on that side, 6, and then obviously you can add more with extensions and stuff. Right, so from the landing, we've got your family bathroom, consisting of your WC wash and basin and a plumbed in shower, which is connected with a gas-fired boiler, and then obviously your bath and stuff. And then lastly, we have your second bedroom, which is the front aspect. Curtains are also with the property. So really all you're doing as a tenant is you're coming in, plonking your furniture down, and you're ready to go. This space over here is where the stairs come up. So therefore, I'd say probably place a wardrobe or something in that corner, and then the space behind is where you would put it in, the bed and stuff. So I think we'll end the video here. Thank you very much for watching. Hope this gave you a good idea, a good flavour of this property and where it's located. We will be putting all the description to the website where there's further photos, maps, location stuff, the price of the property, which I'm sure is important. Everything will be linked into the description below. If you do want to make an application, give us a call, send us an email or something, and we'll get in touch with you. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Take care.